Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to change your Cash App password. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Cash App application. Then log into your account if you have to. After you log in, tap on your profile at the top right corner. Then you'll get to this menu. Now scroll a bit down. After that, you will see this option, security and privacy. Tap on it. Then remember one thing, that Cash App does not require password. If you have turned on this cash pin feature, then you can change the pin code instead. To change it, tap on this change cash pin button. Then you will have to verify your identity through your Face ID or your fingerprint, and if you don't have that feature, you'll have to enter your old pin code. Once you do so, you'll have to enter your new pin code or your password. Once you do so, you'll have to re-enter the pin code. After you do that, your pin code will be changed, or your password, or whatever you like to call it. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time I upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.